Imagine a world where every second counts, where efficiency and speed transform your daily life. In the arena of businesses where competition is fierce, every detail can be the decisive turning point towards success. It is in this context that the revolutionary Polono thermal label printer fits in, an indispensable asset for players in e-commerce and logistics. Feel free to click on the link in the description to learn more about its unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours now. The Polono thermal label printer is designed for online entrepreneurs and logistics managers who seek speed and efficiency in preparing their shipments. It is the ideal tool for those who value productivity and ecology in their professional daily life. The Polono is not just a simple printer. It is the promise of a seamless workflow, a solution that speaks the language of urgency and efficiency. With advanced thermal printing technology, it frees you from the constraints of ink cartridges and ribbons, providing high-quality monochrome printing at an astonishing speed of 150 millimeters per second. This means you can print up to 72 labels per minute, a significant time saver for always on-time shipments. Its ease of installation is unmatched. In just 1 minute, you're ready to print. Simply connect the USB cable, install the driver, and you are ready to produce labels for your shipping packages or for organizing your warehouse. Whether you are working on Windows, macOS, or Linux, Polono integrates seamlessly with your system. Don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the thousands of customer reviews showcasing its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price to revolutionize your daily life. But the Polono printer is not limited to compatibility with operating systems. It is also versatile in its support for platforms, easily adapting to UPS, FedEx, DHL, Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Shopify, and more. It is a valuable ally for anyone navigating the ocean of e-commerce. The intelligence of the Polono printer lies in its ability to automatically detect labels and adjust their position with remarkable precision. It feeds and captures labels with an intelligent paper return function, supporting widths ranging from 40 mm to 118 meters. The process is quick, easy, and above all, adaptable to a variety of sizes and colors. The Polono printer is also a step forward in ecological commitment. By using only thermal paper, it reduces waste and eliminates the need for polluting consumables such as toner and ink. It is a sustainable choice for your business and for the planet. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews. And that's not all. The Polono printer comes with all the necessary accessories for immediate setup, including a paper holder, the required cables, and a USB drive containing everything needed for installation, and the user guide. Now, let's recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1, printing speed. With a capacity of 72 labels per minute, it maximizes productivity. Advantage number 2, ease of installation. 1 minute installation is a significant time saver. Advantage number 3, compatibility. Supports various operating systems and online selling platforms. Advantage number 4, ecology. It uses direct thermal technology, eliminating the need for toner or ink. Advantage number 5, automatic label detection and feeding, which minimizes errors and paper waste. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, dependence on thermal paper. While this is eco-friendly, it could also limit options for those who prefer to use specific materials for printing. So, it's time to make a decision that will transform the way you work. By clicking on the link in the description, you gain the opportunity to order the Polono printer at the best price, discover reviews from thousands of satisfied customers, and learn even more about this revolutionary product. Don't let this chance slip away. Click now and join those who choose to ship with intelligence and speed. Thank you for your attention and see you very soon.